I'm Jesse Ellis, Senior Applications and Sales Support for Capital Robotics. Today we're going to be discussing arc control. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to select the weld process, the material, and the wire diameter. I'll select my amperage, and my arc length tuning. And then I'm going to use a feature called arc control. Here I can make fine adjustments to the actual arc to get different results. If I go negative, I can get a really tight arc for better penetration. If I go positive, I can get a really soft, wide arc for better gap control and less penetration. So we're going to start with a standard arc here. As you go negative in the arc control, it'll crispen up the arc, allowing for deeper penetration. On the other end of the spectrum, once you go positive, it'll soften the arc quite a bit and allow for gap bridging and less penetration. For further information on the Welbee, please visit our YouTube channel, as well as visit our website, www.capitalrobotics.com. Thank you.